Ang hawak ko right now is the Redmi 12. Probably this would be your next daily driver. Bakit? It's very budget-friendly. Meron siyang Helio G88 ni MediaTek. Meron din siya up to 256GB of storage, 90Hz of screen refresh rate, and medyo mala iPhone ang kanyang itsura. Ito na nga ba ang hinahanap ninyo? Panoorin nyo muna ang video na ito. We have your double barrel design dito sa likod, which starts off with a 50MP na main camera sensor. And sa gilid, meron pa siyang fingerprint scanner, so very useful din siya and handy. Probably one of the winning factor na gusto ko dito sa phone na ito is na jump pa ka na on jack dito. M plus yung kanang SIM slot dito can support a micro SD plus isang nano SIM or dalawang nano SIM na sabay. Now, itong phone na ito comes in two variant. You can get the 828GB of storage and priced at 7,999, or you can get the 8256GB of storage, which comes at a price point of 8,999. Link on the description. This phone is being powered by the MediaTek Helio G88. And alam naman natin, this is a more of a budget-friendly na chip which is present in many budget phones. Mapa Infinix man, or Tecno, or Itel, or Redmi. Nakapagkuha lang siya ng 258,000 points dito sa Antutu benchmark, which is not really that high if you ask me. There are some other phones na G88 could have scored 300,000 points. So, probably medyo kulang siguro optimization dito sa MIUI 14 ni Xiaomi. Mababa lang din ang kanyang mga loop score dito sa Wildlife Extreme, and of course, ang kanyang stability is not bad, 98.3%. Taking it a little bit further sa benchmarking, this is what I got sa Geekbench na CPU benchmark. And ito naman nakuha ko sa GPU benchmark. Nag-fail siya on one of the workloads, kaya nakakuha siya ng mababang score. Now, on daily average usage, itong phone na ito can definitely perform for multitasking. Not a problem, I would tell you. Napag-usapan naman natin ang kanyang display. This one has a large display, almost 6.8 incher with an IPS LCD that can support up to 90Hz screen refresh rate. Kaya rin naman niya mag-display up to 180p, which probably is better than the other phones at this price point. Now, kita naman natin ang kanyang bezel is not that thin. Medyo makapal ang kanyang baba din sa ilalim. And the front-facing camera punch hole isn't that small either. Probably the only downside dito is medyo nahirapan ako konti on outdoors dahil ang maximum brightness nito is only at 550 nits. Now, browsing on your Reels, your Shorts, or TikTok is not a problem dito sa phone na ito. And kung mahilig kayo sa social media, maganda rin to pang video watching. If you're watching videos on Netflix and YouTube, 90Hz of screen refresh rate kinda offset yung kanyang hindi pagka-AMOLED dito sa phone na ito. Dahil there are other phones at this price point would give you an AMOLED display. Screen pa nga. It's Itel S23 Plus. But this one, at an IPS LCD, pwede na siya. Now, probably one of the downside din dito sa kanya is that isa lang ang loudspeaker dito. So, medyo hindi ganun kalakasan ang kanyang loudspeaker. How about let's give it a quick sound test. After listening to that quick sound test, I would say that ang kanyang sound is just average. Not the loudest, but pwede nang pagtyagaan. But if you're not happy with yung kanyang sound, you can always plug in your favorite headphones. Now, ang Redmi 12 comes together with a 5,000 mAh of batteries. And ang kasama ng charger dito sa loob is a 22.5 watts. But ang maximum charging capability niya is only up to 18 watts. Charging from 10 to 100 takes you a little bit above 2 hours. Medyo matagal konti. And if you ask me kung itong phone na ito would last you the whole day, well, yes. And even beyond one whole day on average usage. So right now guys, subukan lang natin itong fingerprint scanner niya kung mabilis nga ba sa mag-react. Kasi normally mga phones with a fingerprint scanner at this price point, medyo slower mag-react versus yung mga flagship phones. So try lang natin mag-register ng fingerprint. Mabilis naman siya mag-react dito sa kanyang pag-registration. Malalaman natin later pag mag-unlock tayo kung gaano siya kabilis. Uy, mabilis One more. Mabilis ang kanyang fingerprint scanner. Good job! So guys, right now, pag-uusapan natin quickly 2 games na nilaro ko dito. I know na this phone is more of a casual gaming na device, but we did try 2 games, Call of Duty Mobile and Farlight 84. Sa Call of Duty Mobile, sinet naman natin sa maximum graphical settings na kaya niya, and I was able to enjoy. Honestly, wala ako na masyado na feel na lag. The screen is responsive, and I like the display kasi medyo malaki naman siya. And playing this game on all high settings na kaya niya is quite enjoyable. Pagdating na sa Farlight 84, nung sinet natin sa highest graphical settings, at first okay pa siya. I wouldn't say na na-feel ko agad the frame drops, pero nung dumarami ng kalaban ng babakbakan na kami, doon ko na masasabi na you need to lower your graphical settings para medyo mas makalaro ka na matino sa game na ito. But overall, the gameplay was not so bad after all, as long as iset mo lang sa medium graphical settings. Now, it's about time na pag-usapan naman natin quickly ang kanyang camera. It has triple camera sensor, 50MP main sensor, 8MP ultra-wide, and 2MP ang kanyang macro. And ang kanyang harap is a 8MP na selfie camera. Both can shoot only up to 1080 and 30. Now, there's a couple of takeaway dito sa camera niya. Now, shooting using the rear camera on outdoor condition, I would say na not so bad ang kanyang nakukuha dito. And at first, pag tinignan mo siya, it isn't really something special. But if you're looking at the details, not so bad nakapag-preserve siya ng mga details like this one. And looking at this gumamela shot, I would say na not so bad on its own. And finokus siya dito sa gitna, and it was able to give me not such a bad focus. Medyo na-blur out nga lang siya dito sa kanyang stem. Taking the flower shot, it looks normal. But if you zoom it in, makikita mo mga details. So, pati mga water droplets still here. But it's a little bit blurred na pag zoom na siya. Now, if you're looking at some indoor shot, kinuha ko tong figurine na to. It looks nice. Makikita mo it's a little bit grainy dahil ito camera na is not too much of a performer for indoors. Taking some more snap, makikita mo talagang medyo grainy. But if you're looking naman dito sa studio, medyo mas maliwanag lang ng konti using my studio lights. Itong box na kuha natin, it's very sharp naman ang details. Kahit dito sa controller na ito, finokus natin dito sa kanyang logo, it looks nice. Using a front-facing camera on outdoor, it looks normal. Nothing really special. Preserve naman yung details sa aking mukha. Medyo hindi lang ganun ka-clear at times. It was able to capture some really nice details, probably due to the lighting. If you're looking at the video, medyo shaky at times. Mapapansin mo, every time na nag-shift ako ng angle, makita mo iba-ibang color ang aking mukha. So, nahirapan lang siya mag-adjust sa ilaw. So, ano masasabi ko sa inyong 7999 if you buy this phone for the 8 gigs of RAM and 120 gigs of storage? 1, not bad agad ang camera. 2, okay naman ka ng design. Not the best design that you'll get for this price point dahil there's Itel S23 Plus that has a better design, better display, but of course, you get the more reliable na OS and support from Xiaomi. And the phone na ito comes in different colors. There's a midnight black, sky blue, polar silver, and moonstone silver. And napansin ko na itong phone na ito is medyo hinahype na Xiaomi community saying that this is a very sulit na budget device. I don't really feel so kasi sa kanyang processor is just okay, not the bang for the buck sa kanyang 7999, but overall ang kanyang feel is good sa aking kamay, and ang display niya is quite big. But other factors coming into play like gaming and camera, it's just so-so para sa inyong 7999. Now kung decided kayo bumili nitong phone na ito, I'll be placing it on the description box below. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course hit nyo na yung bell icon para hindi nyo mag-miss mga future uploads here from my channel. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.